Good day everyone. We are Group 2 and we will present to you our Eco Resort. We name our Eco Resort Siargao's Harmonious Haven Getaway. If you try to look at our logo, we put a coconut tree, sunset, and birds that are flying. All of these symbolizes as what you call paradise. We want to be an eco resort that you can consider as paradise, where you can relax and clear negative thoughts about life, a peaceful place that seems to be perfect. The name of our eco resort simply means a safe place to escape and find balance in life. This resort title was made to reflect the importance of creating a unified and joyful living away from the society, where great moments are made. And now, let's proceed to the mission and vision of our eco resort. Our mission is to provide an unforgettable escape for our guests where the serenity of the beach meets the warmth of hospitality. We strive to offer a sanctuary of peace and adventure in the heart of Siargao, where guests can reconnect with nature, embrace the island's vibrant spirit, and create memories that resonate with the rhythm of the waves. And our vision is to be a haven of harmonious living where the beauty of Siargao's natural wonders meets the warmth of Filipino hospitality, creating a unique and unforgettable experience for every guest. Experience the beauty of Siargao Island that is a paradise for surfers and nature lovers. Siargao Island has been capturing worldwide attention. Its landscape are a visual attraction that lures in not only surfers but other types of tourists as well, as it presents a variety of environmental significance which plays an important role in cultural practices. Visiting this island gives the visitor the sense of relaxed freedom they expect when they need to escape from the chaos of their urban existence. At Siargao's Harmonious Haven Getaway, we believe in creating a space where you can truly unwind, recharge, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Our commitment to sustainability and authentic Filipino hospitality ensures a unique and unforgettable experience where you can immerse yourself in the island's natural beauty and cultural richness. The target market for Siargao's Harmonious Haven Getaway are those people who are experiencing stress and depression. This group is our target market because they need nature trips that can provide a much-needed escape from daily stress, allowing individuals to reconnect with the environment, experience tranquility, and engage in physical activity. This involvement in nature has allowed to reduce anxiety and improve mood, ultimately promoting mental health. The resort will also appeal to families because we have different activities to offer that can strengthen the bonding among the members of the family, such as swimming, cycling, hikes, and etc.
Ito po ang aming layout design. Sa layout design, meron po kaming reception area, kung saan po tagatanggapan po ng aming mga guests. At sa tabi po ng aming reception area, andito po ang aming receiving area, kung saan po ang lobby. At sa ilalim po ng reception area, andito po ang aming powder room. Sa ilalim po ng aming powder room, andito po ang aming activities area or spa. At sa tabi po ng aming activity area, ay meron po kaming kitchen. Sa itaas po ng aming kitchen, meron po kaming dining area kung saan dun po kumakain ang mga guests namin. At sa tabi po ng aming receiving area, andun po ang aming mga guest room kung saan dun po ang magpapahinga ang aming mga guests. Sa tapat po ng guest room, meron po kaming pool area. At sa tabi po ng aming pool area, meron po kaming washroom. Sa tapat po ng aming washroom, meron po kaming floating cabana po dito, kung saan nandito po ang kitang-kita po ang aming kagandahan ng view ng ating dagat. At yun lamang po. Ito po ang aming organization chart. Here's our general manager. Is the driving force behind the Siargao Harmonious Haven success. They also ensure guests have a memorable and comfortable stay. General manager are team leader and motivation of the hotel. that ensure that the operation of the hotel is running correctly. And this is Dustin Lacayo, our front desk manager. Is responsible for overseeing the smooth operation of the front desk, ensuring guest satisfaction, and managing staff. And this is Arabella Castañeda, our housekeeping manager, responsible to build a passionate and dedicated housekeeping team that maintain a high standard of cleaning while minimizing the environmental impact and also to ensure that the eco-friendly cleaning is implemented. And this is Michelle Duracan, our Eco Tour Guide. Siya po yung taga-assist at taga-tour sa amin sa mga guests at siya din ang kasama sa mga activity at para masigurado ang kanilang safety. At ako po ay isang kitchen staff. My responsibility as a kitchen staff is preparing meal using fresh, locally sourced, and maintaining cleanliness to strict hygiene standard. And lastly, Hilton Coronado, our maintenance technician, protecting the surrounding environment and providing a comfortable and safe experience for our guests.
Product and service design. Escape the ordinary and make it extraordinary. Welcome to Siargao Harmonia 7 Gateway, where nature beauty meets luxurious comfort. We offer a sanctuary for the soul, a place to reconnect yourself with the natural world. Unique product design of Siargao Harmonia 7 Gateway. We offer many types of accommodation, and I will discuss the accommodation of our resort, and you will find out that our eco resort was extraordinary among the others. Here are some pictures of recreational activities and service that we have to offer. We have a floating cabana, bioluminescent kayak tours, underwater restaurant, and sound healing spa session. This unique product design and experience will set this resort apart from others in Siargao, attracting guests seeking a truly transformative and memorable gateway. Since our Siargao Harmonia 7 is new to the industry, the position of the resort product and service in the product life cycle is in product launch, where the production of the product we have our low volume because of the low demand. There are many potential guests in the market, and we will think of a perfect marketing strategy for us to be successful in the execution of our resort opening. Managing product design in a competitive environment, our resort market requires a strategic approach that considers both resort choosing strategy and the offering of its main rival. First, we need to understand the resort landscape. After that, we can focus on the resort target market and analyzing the main rival company. By gathering information about our main rival and keeping update will be beneficial for us to improve and develop a competitive product design that will help our resort mark its position in the market. We also value customer feedback for our continuous improvement. When a resort designs a new product or service, they must consider legal, ethical, and sustainability aspects. Legally, they need to ensure compliance with zoning laws, health and safety regulation, and obtain necessary permit. Ethically, they must prioritize fair labor practices for their staff and be mindful of local culture to avoid cultural appropriation. Sustainability is crucial, meaning they should to assess the environmental impact of their new offerings, minimizing energy use, waste, and resource consumption. Additionally, supporting local economies by sourcing product and service from the community foster sustainability and positive relationship. By considering this factor, resort can create new product and service that are profitable, responsible, and contribute positively to their environment and community.
Just in time, applying the 5S concept to front desk. First is sort, organizing and classifying information, tasks, or guest requests efficiently. This helps streamline operation and ensure nothing gets overlooked. Second is set in order, establishing clear procedure and protocols for front desk operation, This ensures the consistency and smooth guest experience. Third is shine, maintaining a clean front desk using organic method. Focuses on using eco-friendly and non-toxic cleaning product. Fourth is standardize. Establish a set of rule and operation standard that can make our eco-resort brand stand out in a competitive environment. And the fifth is sustain. Maintaining a well-functioning front desk over time by investing in training, technology, and staff development. This ensures long-term efficiency and a positive guest experience. Quality management. We choose the online survey as a platform that we will use to gather customer feedback. With the help of Form app application, our EcoResort created a comprehensive system for collecting and analyzing customer feedback. This system will facilitate continuous improvement in our overall performance, ultimately enhancing customer satisfaction and promoting sustainability practices. Above is the QR code that is accessible by our guests for them to share their thoughts and feedback about our EcoResort. And we use the online feedback because it is easier to access on any device by scanning the QR code and can be done anonymously. And often user-friendly format, it's also quick and easy to submit, making it more convenient for people on the go.
Conclusion and recommendation: a comprehensive approach to creating a sustainable, memorable resort experience that prioritizes guest satisfaction, environment responsibility, and cultural appreciation. A sustainable and memorable resort experience is about more than just minimizing the ecological footprint. It takes more than merely reducing the environment impact to provide a sustainable, wonderful resort experience. It's about providing a memorable visitor experience while cultivating deep connection with the area environment. A resort may provide an unforgettable and trustworthy destination by putting eco-friendly methods into place. They encourage cultural awareness and giving visitors and the local communities need first priority. The strategy can help preserve the environment for coming generations, promote community support, and increase the customer loyalty.